For this lesson, we want to understand how search engines work. It's critical in understanding this, so when you know how search engines work, you'll have a proper understanding and expectation of how quickly things will happen, how they happen, and when changes will show up in the search engines. So the first thing we need to know about how search engines work is there's a little thing called spiders. Spiders are a software program that is sent out by the search engine to find new information. Now, we also call these bots or crawlers. Again, there are some strange names in this industry, but all three of these words mean the same thing. It's a software program that the search engine uses to request pages and download them. Now, this comes as a surprise to some people, but really what the search engines do is they use a link off an existing website to find a new website. And when they find a new web page, they request a copy of that page. They download it to their server. They evaluate that page. They find links to other pages within that brand new website. And so they start requesting all these pages off the website. And one by one, they download pages off of a website until they have downloaded a complete copy of that website. And that's what the search engines use to run the ranking algorithm against, and that's what shows up in the search engine results page. So what is happening is, and this is critical to understand, the search engines need to download a copy of your website. If they can't download a copy of your website, it will not show up in the search engine results. So the first part of search engine optimization is making sure that the search engines are, quote unquote, seeing your website. And when we say seeing, we mean they're downloading your website. Also, what we want to be sure is that every page has its own unique address. You see, this page here denotes that this is the only place on the internet that you will see this specific page of information. A URL is a mailbox. So when you see a URL published online, or you see a URL in the search results, or you see a URL in your browser bar, what you are seeing is the mailbox for that document. Every document has a unique address. And so the search engines need to be able to access that address to make a copy of that page. And so we can see the process here that the search engines have to download a complete copy of your website to their servers. The searcher, when they type in a search, is processed through the search engine's database, through the ranking algorithm, and then those results come out of the database. So, quick overview, spiders, bots, and crawlers, they make copies of your websites and of your documents. So your website needs to be readable or seeable to a search engine, and then the algorithm is applied to the documents that the search engine has downloaded to its database. The critical part here is if you have a brand new website, the most important thing you can do is start building links to the website, because search engines find new websites by following links around the internet. And once they find you, they visit frequently to ensure that they have the latest, most up-to-date copy of your website.